Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a yearly reminder on your iPhone to get notifications whenever the moment is coming. So to do that, you just need to make sure that you have this application, which is the calendar, and whenever you have it on your iPhone, you just need to click them and to open it. For the next thing you need to do is just decide the dates that you want to create the reminders. Let's say here I need to adjust for 12th of December. Okay, I got the December. Okay, now and then I just need to mark here, and after that you just need to go click event by go click this plus button and creating the event. Let's say here is hubby's birthday, and right after that you just need to take a look on this repeat part. You just need to click them and choose every year, so you will get a notification every 12 seconds in each year about the husband's birthday. And now you're done. So that is the way, guys, how to create a yearly reminder on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.